In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate unrealized FX gain or loss in Xero without multicurrency. 5 minutes. If you record invoices or bills in a foreign currency but don't have Xero's multicurrency feature, you can still calculate and book an end-of-period unrealized FX adjustment. I'll walk you through the quick workflow using a built-in report to find the revaluation amount and a simple journal to record it. Start by logging into Xero. From the main menu, go to Reporting and choose Foreign Currency Gains and Losses. This report summarizes open receivables and payables denominated in foreign currencies and converts them into your local currency using the latest rate. Set the report to your period end date, such as month end or year end, and click Update. Focus on the accounts receivable balance and accounts payable balance columns for the foreign currency you're working with. These show the outstanding foreign currency amounts and their current local currency value at the chosen date. Make a note of the local currency values for your open items. That figure represents what your receivables and payables would be if they were revalued to the period end rate. The adjustment you need is the difference between the report's local currency value and what your ledger currently reflects for those open balances. That difference is your unrealized FX gain or loss for the period. Next, head to Accounting and open the chart of accounts. Create a new profit and loss account specifically for unrealized FX gain loss. Giving it a clear name makes your reporting and audit trail much cleaner, and it keeps this revaluation separate from realized FX on payments. Now go back to Accounting and choose Manual Journal. Add a new journal. Set the date to the last day of your reporting period so the entry aligns with the revaluation date on the report. In the first line, debit the relevant foreign currency customer or supplier control account for the local currency adjustment amount you calculated. In the second line, credit your new unrealized FX gain loss account for the same amount. This captures the change in value of your open receivables or payables at period end. Use a clear narration such as unrealized FX revaluation to period end date based on foreign currency gains and losses report, and attach the report extract if possible for documentation. That's the whole process. Use the report to identify the local currency revaluation, then record a single clean journal to reflect the unrealized gain or loss. If you're unsure about signs or presentation, check your accounting policy or speak with your advisor to ensure consistency across periods.